quick unboxing to the SONY UX or ICD-UX570. This is a portable recorder. I will use it for my channel because I've noticed that the sound quality is not good because my Canon G7X doesn't have an output for external microphone, and this is a big issue that I want to solve by using this recorder, which is not expensive and should do the work, I think, hopefully. So what we have in this box is something with many stickers that I'm opening right now. So we have the unit itself with nothing else than a manual about the batteries. I think this is an internal batteries. Yes, and it's using an SD card, micro SD card that came with it. There is another sticker here that you can remove. Of course, you need to remove it. It's written remove, so you will remove it. And then of course I don't know how to use it right now. Probably first the battery should be charged. So let's see how to do it. I remember. There is a USB out when using this key here. Okay, this is of course how to connect it to your PC, and probably this is also as a charging device. Let's see, I can connect it right now, and yes, this is powering on, and it looks like it is charging right now. So we'll give it a time to charge, and then we will try to use it and see how good it is. So hold on. Okay, so this is how it is sound from the mic in the camera, and this is how it is sound from the mic that came with this recorder.